Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 6 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel and expand it. You should see your Do Not Disturb mode somewhere. It looks like straight away right here. So once you see it, you can hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings, and in here you can customize how it will function. So we have a couple different options. Who can call you, message you, what kind of apps can interrupt you, alarms and other interruptions. Schedule, once you set up a schedule, you don't actually have to turn it on and off. I mean, the Do Not Disturb mode right here, just make sure that the schedule is turned on if that is something that you want to use. But for manual use, you don't need to worry about this one. And we also have general duration for quick settings, and this basically defines what will happen when you tap on this toggle right here. So as you can see, we have until turn off, you have a specific amount of time, or ask every time, which will bring up this window every time you select it. And then display options for hidden notifications, just more notification options when in Do Not Disturb mode. So anyway, once you went through all the settings right here and customize them to your liking, you can close this, and when you want to enable your Do Not Disturb mode, simply tap on it. And there we go, it's now enabled. And if you're using the scheduled route instead of the manual, you don't need to actually toggle it on from here. Just make sure that the schedule right here is turned on. As you can see, kind of like this flip to is on. So yeah, that is basically how you'd set up your Do Not Disturb mode and use it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.